Maple Systems thanks you for joining us in this brief tutorial on how to use an RFID card reader with one of our HMIs. Within the System Parameter Settings, navigate to the Security tab and select Plug-in. Select the Smart Card tab and click the Enable checkbox. For this demonstration, I'm going to enable Auto Login. This will allow the user to automatically log in when their RFID is scanned. Enter an available control address and select the usage hyperlink. Here, we can view the command, result, status, and error address, and their functionality. The command address is used to send commands to the RFID reader, and the other addresses will come in handy if you need to do any RFID reader troubleshooting. The Settings section is where the RFID reader is added to the project file. Click the Scan Reader button, and you will be prompted to plug in the USB RFID reader into your PC. After scanning the card reader, the VID and PID fields will be populated with the appropriate hexadecimal values. It's important that you do not plug the card reader into your PC before being prompted to, or it will not be scanned successfully. You can see that I have two users enabled, User 1 and User 2. We're going to assign both users RFID cards during this demonstration. Let's take a look at the EBPro demo project. On the top left, we'll be able to see the user that's currently logged in. In the middle, we have the RFID card reader command register with the command values listed below. On the top right, we have a function window that will allow us to log in by user index. And below, we have a combo button that will log the user out. And below that are the RFID reader status registers we covered earlier. I'll now download this project to an HMI so we can see the RFID card reader in action. I've downloaded the demo project to the HMI and plugged in the USB RFID. Let's start by logging into a user account and assigning them an RFID card. After logging in, I'll enter a value of 3 into the command register. This will allow us to add an RFID card to a user account by user index, which is how we logged into this user's account. We are then prompted to place the user's RFID card within range of the scanner. Select Confirm, and the user will then be able to use that card to log in. I'll now log out of this user's account and repeat this process for the second user. They are also prompted to place the RFID card within range of the scanner. And approved. Now, as you can see, as I switch between both users, they are both able to log into the HMI's application using their RFID cards. Now, let's remove User 1's assigned RFID card so they can no longer use it for HMI access. As you can see in the below command prompts, the number 5 removes the RFID card from that user. While logged in as the user, I'll enter a value of 5 into the command register. And just like that, the user is no longer able to log into the HMI with their old RFID card. Thanks for watching.